Module Overview. This module introduces you to the muscular system, a critical system that drives movement, maintains posture, supports bodily functions such as breathing and digestion, and produces heat. Understanding muscle anatomy and physiology is essential across all healthcare disciplines, including physiotherapy, nursing, medicine, sports science, and rehabilitation. You will learn to identify and classify muscle types, describe their structures and roles, and understand how muscle contractions work at the microscopic level. This module will also cover major muscles of the body, movement types, muscle disorders, and how the muscular system interacts with other systems. First, functions of the muscular system. Movement. Skeletal muscles pull on bones to produce voluntary motion. Posture. Maintenance. Muscles contract continuously to maintain body position. Joint stabilization. Muscles and tendons provide structural support. Heat generation. Muscle contraction generates 85% of body heat. Thermogenesis. Protection of internal organs. Muscles provide cushioning, e.g. abdominal wall. Control of openings and passages. Sphincters, e.g. anal and urinary sphincters. Second, types of muscle tissue. First, muscle. Type. Second, control. Third, location. Fourth, and structure. 5. Function, skeletal, voluntary. Attached to bones, striated, multinucleate movement, posture, heat, cardiac involuntary heart striated, single nucleus pumps blood, smooth involuntary walls of hollow organs, non-striated, single nucleus moves substances, e.g. food, urine. Third, skeletal muscle anatomy. Muscle structure, muscle fiber, basic contractile unit, fascicles, bundles of muscle fibers, epimysium covers entire muscle, perimysium surrounds fascicles, endomysium wraps individual fibers, attachment points, origin, fixed attachment, insertion moves with contraction, tendon, connects muscle to bone, muscle, shapes, parallel, convergent, pennate, circular. Fourth, microscopic anatomy of muscle fibers, myofibrils, rod-like structures that contain sarcomeres, functional units, composed of actin, thin, and myosin, thick filaments. Muscle contraction process, sliding filament. Theory, myosin heads pull actin filaments, shortening the sarcomere. Neuromuscular junction, NMJ, where motor neuron meets muscle. Acetylcholine, ACH, is the neurotransmitter that initiates contraction. Excitation-contraction coupling involves calcium ions and ATP. 5. Muscle physiology and metabolism. Energy sources ATP, adenosine triphosphate, creatine phosphate. Anaerobic glycolysis produces lactic acid. Aerobic respiration uses oxygen. Muscle continuous partial contraction, even at rest. Fatigue caused by depletion of energy stores, accumulation of lactic acid. Sixth, naming and classification of skeletal muscles. Muscles are named based on location, e.g. temporalis, action, e.g. flexor carpi, shape, e.g. deltoid equals triangle, number of origins, e.g. biceps, Harcus 2 origins, direction of fibers, e.g. rectus Harcus straight, size, e.g. maximus subacus large. 7. Major muscles of the human one, body 2, region 3, key muscles, function, head, neck, sternocleidomastoid, masseter rotation, chewing upper limb, biceps brachii, triceps, deltoid flexion, extension, abduction trunk pectoralis major, rectus abdominis, breathing, posture back, latissimus dorsi, trapezius shoulder movement, spine support, lower limb, gluteus maximus, quadriceps, hamstrings, locomotion. 8th, muscle actions and movement types. Agonist, prime mover, main muscle responsible for movement. Antagonist, opposes the prime mover. Synergist, aids the agonist. Fixator, stabilizes origin. Types of movements: flexion, extension, abduction, adduction, rotation, circumduction. System interactions. Skeletal system provides the framework for muscle attachment. Nervous system sends signals to initiate contraction. Circulatory system supplies oxygen and nutrients to muscles. Respiratory system provides oxygen needed for ATP production. Endocrine system. Hormones like testosterone affect muscle growth.